Evening, guys. What date? 21st, 4:30. We come down the allotment. We've done bits and bobs. We've not really been filming, to be honest, so we're spinning around. Bit of bed now. Put more elephant garlic in there. Strawberry plants that I did last year. They're all looking good. These beds weeds, they de-weed them and put ryegrass on top of them. That one's got sawdust. That's got ryegrass as well. Pulled some stuff out of the last year, just left it there to rot down. So I'm going to put these another pallet high. Rhubarb starting to come through. Now it's coming in ryegrass as well. Pulled all of like the curly kale out there and just put the old grow bags out the allotment, the greenhouse, into there. So we've got some fresh tomato grow bags for the grow more things. And all that lot there was originally on that one. You set it down here. All the places have already been harvested, just buckets lay there. I de-weeded that bed. The cabbages are not looking too bad. These not looking too bad. Just got to de-weed this one a little bit. Everything's fallen over everywhere. As you can actually see, the grape tree has been trimmed right way back, and that's all there. So, as you can see now, it's a lot cleaner. It's really the first time we managed to get down here properly, because it's always been raining, and you know this allotment, it floods. Just a quick one, guys, a quick little tour of the allotment. End of March nearly now. Things are growing in the greenhouse at home. Nothing growing in this greenhouse are weeds. Every single year pull them up. Every single year put salt and that lot down to stop them. And every year like, nope, I'm coming back. Give you a quick tour of the garden. Onions now are starting to come along. That green manure, once again, I never took it allotment, so we'll stop talking about that. These are the elephant garlic, and these are the elephant garlic here that would just stayed as a bulb. I just need to do a little bit of weeding. Grass seems to be just growing where it likes these days. I think what it is, I think the plastic in these has deteriorated, so I need to next year dig all this out, take all the plastic out. So like I say, that's the elephant garlic there, and from there is the, let's say, Lidl bought. Here's some more onions, looks like they fell over for some reason. I still have got some onion sets left, so I don't know if it's the rain that's caused these to go over, because we have had a lot of wind, etc. So I'm just going to push them back in. These are radar, and I've just done this bed for the wife, so a bit of colour in the garden for a change. That's got to be de-weeded. Next going to be Tiber cup, and obviously this is me pea trellis. I will advise people, these, don't bother buying them, they're about 25 quid, they're a waste of money, to be honest. That's really the garden. Let's go over to the greenhouse. As you can see, it's starting to look okay. These are my daffodils and my lasagna, bulb lasagna I did. And these are those dry fruits. The blueberry looked like it hasn't taken. There's not much going on there. The rest of them, red currants, etc., have done okay. But the red gooseberry hasn't done anything. But the normal gooseberry has sprung to life. And so has the raspberry. As you can see, that's shooting from the bottom as well. Those raspberries are still in the actual fig tree, so I'm going to pull them out later. Let's put it in the greenhouse. So, Champion Bedford onions, leeks, these need a good drink, they're bone dry. Salad lettuce bowl mix, F1 orange spice, Frenzo, and these are those cucumbers that are all mixed up. Down here we've got cucumber that's just about starting to come through now, and the rest of that tray is spinach. Those there are long peppers, those ones. And here, if I do this way, it might be a bit better. These are my melons. So you got Cantaloupe, watermelon. These are the Black Beauty courgettes, and these are the Moneymaker courgette. I need to make sure I don't get these mixed up. Oh, sorry, aubergine, not courgette. That might be aubergine as well. Here they are. These are the all green bush, and these are courgettes. Golden era, courgette again. Black Beauty, courgette. And I'm actually trying the Trombola courgette this year. These are the tomatoes that I got from Lidl. Right, let's go through the tomatoes here. Black Russian, remember I washed them away by mistake. I had a few seeds left over, so I put them in and they've done okay. Tomatoes, balcony, I've not really done anything. Moneymaker are here. They're okay. Alicantes, they're okay. Toddler, not bad. And we've got the Abe Lincoln, the ones that Mandy Moose sent, and you can see they're pretty good. Got 3 of those, I think. I've got the Black Moon tomatoes. These are all okay. And this is the one where I don't know whether the Black Opal or the Crimson Crush, but these will be a case of plant them and see what I get. Got myself a mini cucumber, it was on offer, so I got one of those. All these are my peppers, hot lemons, etc. And I actually found this one here, Brad's Atomic, is a little plastic bag that's been in my tomato seed tray for years. I didn't expect it to actually do anything, but it has. And I got a snack baby cucumber. Bought one of those as well when I was out and about. I always do it. I always sell my own and buy as well. But I got 2 in it, so I've separated them and got them. Sun Gold, they're doing quite well now. That's that one that snapped. Well, no, did it snap? It's got cut in half, remember, by the tray. All here are my cabbages, etc. Savoys. These are Shanghai cabbage. These need potting on now because these are the round lettuce, so I need to thin them out. I've also got in here, these are the broccoli, the Calabrese, and these are broccoli Atlantis. These are the kohlrabi. One's green, one's red. On the back is spinach. They're not doing too good. I haven't got a clue what that is. That looks like a marigold plant. So I don't go that. That's me shop bought shallots, not doing anything with them. And these are the red onions, as you can see now starting to come through. I've still got, believe it or not, loads of onions left. They're all starting to actually shoot. A full tray baltardi. And all these in here are snap peas. This one here are the French marigolds. They're starting to show their head now. And I've got all different, like these are radishes. These can go into the actual, and these are the cabbages. Right, garlic left over there. Those are the snap peas that are for flowering. Put some sage and lavender in there, and some of the bits. I only did them a couple of days ago. Main strout, cauliflower. I bought these because there was an offer, and I've got some more tomatoes in there. Geraniums, they're okay. Broad beans, I've only sown them. These spring onions, and fresh packet this year, and they will not actually germinate. I don't know why. but might just have a bad batch. I might get in touch with the seed company and tell them that no matter what I'm doing, they're not actually doing anything. That really is all I'm up to really today. It's now Friday, lunchtime. I'm at my greenhouse and the clocks go forward. This weekend, more happy daylights. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you all again. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, you can give me a thumbs down. It all helps with the algorithm of YouTube. Bye bye. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon.